If you're encountering a Ola app error that says, "App not working," or "not opening," you can try the following steps to resolve the issue. First step. Check your internet connection, make sure you are connected to the internet. Open a web browser or another app to see if you can access the internet without any issues. If not, troubleshoot your Wi-Fi or data connection. Second step. Restart Ola app. Close the Ola app completely by swiping it away from your recent apps or force closing it, then reopen the app and see if the issue persists. Third step. Clear Ola app cache. On Android devices, you can try clearing the app's cache. To do this, long press on Ola app. Tap on Info icon. And find Storage, then tap on Clear Cache. And tap on Clear Data, confirm to clear it. Fourth step. Then go back, check for app permissions. Allow all the permissions. Ensure that Ola app has the necessary permissions to access your device's internet connection. Fifth step. Update Ola app. If available, make sure you have the latest version of Ola app installed. To do this, tap on Play Store or App Store. Search for Ola app, check if there is update. Update it. Check if problem have solved or not. Sixth step. Restart your device. Reboot your phone or device to refresh its settings. To do this, long press on device's power button. And swipe to restart it. Seventh step. Reinstall Ola app. If none of the above steps work, you can uninstall Ola app and then reinstall it from your device's app store. This often resolves stubborn app issues. Eighth step. Contact Ola customer support. If the issue persists, contact Ola customer support for further assistance. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe Techsor if this video was helpful. Like and subscribe.